Most organizations or businesses don't lose momentum because something suddenly breaks. They lose it because growth and change quietly outpace leadership alignment. More often, the business is growing, changing direction, entering new markets, or trying to sharpen what it should be known for. And the leadership team has not yet fully aligned what that now means commercially. That starts to show up in practical ways. Sales conversions take longer. Marketing messages become less consistent. Teams explain the business differently. Pricing confidence weakens. And customers get a less clear reason to choose what the organization is actually selling. That's where my work sits. I work with leadership teams to strengthen the commercial clarity behind the brand. So strategy, positioning, sales, marketing, and decision-making carry the same consistent meaning into the market. This is not brand as decoration or design. It is brand as a leadership and performance issue. The work helps protect pricing power, reduce wasted effort, sharpen market direction, and keep performance moving as the business changes. If your organization is growing, repositioning, or entering a more complex phase, the more useful question is not only what should we say, it's also what must leadership now align, own, and make clear so the market has a stronger reason to choose us. Brand is leadership made visible.